What's up, y'all?
Are we getting audio?
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the BTS of the How to Be a Rad Dad.
I was literally gonna say
thing.
something.
Okay.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the BTS vlog of our film we just made.
We went pretty rogue for this one.
Dang, looking solid.
I feel good.
Basically, we are working with EcoFlow on this project. They were wanted to sponsor this video, and we were like, we got to go all out and make it a cool idea. So we tried to go all out and make it a cool idea. We got these bad boy products, EcoFlow Delta Pros.
BBP, bad boy product. And shout out to brands that let you kind of do the silly idea that you want to do.
3, 2, 1, jump.
All right, now what is How to Be a Rad Dad about? And then we'll go into production.
Oh, How to Be a Rad Dad kind of channels a lot of where we've been at in life, which is mixing our sick hobbies with trying to be sick dads. We both want to keep doing our hobbies. We want to keep doing rad stuff.
Yeah.
But we also want to be good parents, good husbands, and we also want to teach our kids all the things that we love to do. Ready? Nice, my feet. Yeah.
So we had the pitted action sports dad, and this part of the film took us over to Leavenworth, Washington. All right. Dang. Well, we made it to Leavenworth, but the spot for coffee is closed. Will it redeem?
Will it redeem? That's the question.
All right, we've made it to Joel's. Just getting a little tour of where we're shooting. His house is sick. They got a shop with a, yeah, check this out.
This is what a dreamy garage looks like.
Look at this, dude. What up?
Hey.
Gotta say hey to our vlog. Shout out to Joel for being such a trooper on this. He looks absolutely insane.
Joel's persona is just the pitted, sendy dad, the dad who gives you hope that you can still be extreme. We start with yeah, he did run 100 miles. He did. He ran 105 miles with a broken rib. That's completely true.
And Joel really does every sport with his family. They
Yes.
kayak or river raft. They mountain bike. They run. They summit mountains as a family. It's pretty sick.
And it's definitely our inspo for a dad that sends it, kids that send it.
Yeah. And so hopefully I'm just overlaying vlog footage from our production. There wasn't a ton of BTS because we're also running the production and trying to direct a little bit.
And we really missed Joshua and Taylor for this one.
Yeah, we did.
We did.
So we used the EcoFlow to power. We powered a 120D off of it, which is pretty sick. All right, off and on.
So
all right.
now
We are charging.
we're pulling 125 watts of power. 23, 25, 26. Trick here was we were emulating a shot that you would see in an action sports doc, but need to make it look a little better. So
Also, we had our shoulders in it.
Right. And we also went super weird with 2 over the shoulders, which we thought was just funny. The whole video is quirky, so it's not supposed to be perfect, dramatic, cinematic interview shot. It's supposed to be funny, so that's where we went. The most important thing to know about this kind of light is it can be a little too interrogation if it's here, where you basically get shadows here and here. But what it does is it's very thinning. If you're like me and you got a weak AF jawline, then just put your light like this, make your jawline sit. We filled in with a nan light too.
Yeah, and it's a little nan light tube light. These things are sweet. Different colors, different intensities, We're gonna plug in the ski iron now to the EcoFlow. So show kind of a practical use. Maybe you're in a shop or a shed that doesn't have any power and you want to go skiing.
Okay, if you've ever been curious how much power an iron pulls, let's find out. Oh. The biggest thing we saw the iron put out 1,500 watts of power, which we've now learned is a lot, as well as your espresso machine put up 1,600.
Yeah, and the
power washer. Yeah.
Basically, we used the EcoFlow on this production to test. We only got the unit sent to us maybe a week or two before we started, so we were testing it out. But really, we were it's kind of a new product to us. It's an amazing product. I'm not just saying that. I know it's a little bit more on the pricey side, but as a home backup solution or a production rig on the go, or any mobile power station. This thing is the cream of the crop.
And not to get too salesy here, and we don't even have this, but you can hook up solar panels, so you don't have to plug it into your actual outlet to charge it. You could charge it via solar, and then have that thing always be gassed up, ready to rock. Electric up.
So it's not like we were making a commercial for EcoFlow. We wanted to make our film more of how to be a rad dad, but then obviously integrate the product. They kind of paid for this film, this movie, and yeah, so it was sick to like try to integrate a product, not in a super like tech review way, but more just to show it in like a funny way, and hopefully a couple people buy it. I don't know.
I think when you think of good brand integrations, you think of, you know, placed appropriately and not overdone, which in this video, I mean, we haven't edited it yet, so maybe it is a little overdone.
Yeah.
But Yeti coolers is a good example of they just lightly place their product in scenes and then tell you a good story. So for this, we were hoping that people would just laugh. People would think it's generally funny.
Are we cool dads?
Are we rad dads?
But also that there is a takeaway, that it's like, oh, like you can be a rad parent. You can be a rad dad, a rad mom. That's kind of what we want the takeaway to be. A little inspirational with a little bit of funny.
Hi, camera.
Hi.
Hi, Dada.
Hi.
Can you say Dada?
Dada.
We filmed a little bit, like he filmed at California with his products and his family, and then I filmed here a little bit with my daughter, family. But the main chunk of this filming has been the last 4 days here. Niles and his whole family flew up, stayed at our house. It's just been a fun, hectic filming / family hangout time. Look at these kids, dude. Say what's up.
What's that?
I feel like that side is better.
The next day, to show more of the home preparedness, we went over to my dad's house. My parents live on a lake, and they deal with a lot of like crazy weather, actually. Shout out to my dad for being in it. He's not really playing a character. He's just like, hey dad, can you be in it? He doesnn't know how to be in videos, really.
Every dad needs a place to put their tools. 126 bags of concrete. Dude, have you seen this? This is my anti-geese sprinkler.
His character is basically the dad who has a fix. So a classic dad cliche trope is that dads fix stuff. If something's broken, dads can fix it. And he is the actual epitome of that. Basically everything on that lake house, he's touched, he's fixed, he's redone. And if you look at the lake house, you think, wow, that place is really nice. Like he must have paid someone a lot of money to build this place up. And it's like, no, he actually just did it himself.
But the main thing we wanted to show is that you can connect two EcoFlow Delta Pros together with like a cable and get 240 volts from it, basically enough to power your house, similar to a generator switch just installed on your house. And so he has that. So basically with these two units, we were able to power his whole house. We don't know like a ton about all the electrical stuff of all this, but we know how to like make it quirky, hopefully.
And like hire an electrician to like put that stuff in.
Yeah, this is a disclaimer. And when we were actually at Joel's, there's snow on the ground. We had my car, the 4Runner. It's like a newer-ish car, like fine. Battery shouldn't have died, but we left the car door open and the tailgate the whole time. Maybe I left the lights on. I don't know. We were filming for a couple hours, and we come back out, try to go to the next spot, and and it was dead.
Where's the spot for it?
On the ground.
Right there. Where's the lighter?
The lighter port's on the side. Boom, right there.
Port. We got Ethernet ports? What the?
Initiating vert mode.
Who knows if this is gonna work?
Let's give it a little bit of time. I don't know if this is recommended or not, so EcoFlow, hopefully, you know, if this is in the vlog, then they were cool with it, maybe. We'll like fry it.
That was sick. Okay, let's go Nordic ski.
I mean, this is how you get your flow, boys.
Are the pump-up jams crucial for skiing, a ski sesh?
Dude, it's all about that mindset.
And then for the third chapter, we had none other than our wives, because you know behind every rad dad is a rad wife, a rad mom, who's really laying the foundation of the family most often.
I think you're fun dads. You do stuff with the kids. fun involved.
The other side of it is that it is funny. Like what they say does have truth to it, with like us always trying to go do our hobbies. Oh, trying to go surf, 6-hour runs on Saturday.
Yeah, they hate it. What's the most annoying thing that we do?
Leave and run for hours.
Yeah, spend too much time on your hobbies. Why do you have 15 hobbies?
Yeah, what? Surf, run.
You're 30.
What else? Oh, now I need to work out more.
My ridges aren't big enough.
But they also love it because we love it, and we're better dads for it, and I'll say better husbands too.
And really, that is kind of the ethos of most of this. It's like finding that balance.
Yes.
Like, hence our Venn diagram.
I'm 100% serious.
Yeah, Niles could teach a college course with the Venn diagram.
Also, Caleb didn't know what a Venn diagram was. Well, you remember now because we already did it.
For sure. But our wives killed it. They actually did like so good on camera.
On camera. Yeah.
They did great. And so thank you if you're watching this, which you're probably not.
Ariana probably will. Sarah will not watch this.
Yeah. We filmed with the kids around like my house and my yard, and yeah, just had fun. So this video is definitely lighthearted, meant to be fun. Wanted to do this vlog as well, kind of a BTS. Hopefully there's a little bit of like, you see some filmmaking. It's kind of hard to vlog when you're definitely running like a production as well. If you don't have Taylor and Joshua.
Filmmaking is a team sport.
Oh, nice. Shout out. Buy that merch.
This is so dirty. And hopefully we're doing more Rad Dad videos for them.
Yeah, if they like this cut, and if
Which
this
would be
is
a miracle.
Yeah, it's always a risk being like, this is a crazy idea. I think you already said that, but yeah, if there's like an EcoFlow link too in the description, just click on it so they get like views over to their website. So they're like, dang, they converted a lot of at least clicks.
Totally, like no one bought, but like a lot of traffic.
Yeah, just go look at it. Is this what it feels like to like make a show and it's like, go watch it, we'll get renewed for season 2? Maybe.
Right,
Like-
but we decide if we have another season.
No, but like if they were like, wow, you guys did good.
EcoFlow,
You guys get
right.
another Rad Dad episode like 2.
Right. Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Sick.
Stephen Colbert would know that.
Wait, why?
I don't know. Just because the first person that came to mind has a TV show.
All right,
All right, dude.
we're out.
We're out.
Have a good one, everybody.
y'all.
Later.